Ka program kilan ba Taiew lynter jong ki Shipai India bat France bala tip kum ka India France joint military exercise SHAKTI kala poino shakabakut haka sngi Blei hadien ba ki Shipai jong kitei ki tylli ki ri kila yo banya sam ki buit treikam bat kilan kumno banya khun ki nongshun daka ba pynleit jingmut haki jaka ba kham bat ki sharing loom haka jaka Shipai ka badon ha Umroi Ri-Bhoi District ïakatei ka Jingïadei met lang ki Shipai India bat France lasdang nadu ka khatlai tarik ujemmang bat penkut no haka arpo hunril tarik kabadei ka sngi Blei bat da ka jingmen ki Shipai kila yo ban Pynkhlaiñ ka Jingïadei jong ki tylli ki ri ban ïakhun ki nongshun ki batmu ban penthut ya ka suk ka sañ hapo ka Chapter VII jong ka United Nations ïakatei ka exercise SHAKTI laju penlong hakari France bat kari India bat kasin bakhadu bala penlong yaka kadei ha usnem arhajar arpuwei hakari France banya sam ki buit kilan banya khun ki nongshun haki rukam ki bapher nalor ka jing pendon kam ki drone na suñ kaling suñ bat ki we ki tiaryale katkum ka juk menta hakatei ka Jing Kilan kumba khandai phongut ki Shipai India balami khmat daka Rajput Regiment kilawan banshim benta katbana kaliang kari France kidon kumba khandai phongut ki balami khmat naka 13 Foreign Legend Half Brigade hakatei ka sngi nakaliang ki Shipai India kilapin inamru yakitiaryale bapher bat kitiar bapendon kam banya khun ki nongshun
टारगेट एलईडी हर से सारी इसमें एलईडी है डे नाइट कैमरा साथ में बैटरी कैपेसिटी है hey your camera this so you can see distant fire from here upper से corner yes sir this shot ID camera and shoot target kill is this very effective yes especially in urban environment
Very important. It would be an opportunity to improve our common operational interoperability. But if you have any question, I will be asked for them. A very good experience for the legionnaires. As you know, the troops here come from the French Foreign Legion, and the French Foreign Legion is composed of soldiers coming from all over the world. So it was a very good opportunity to share basic tactical skills. They learn how to survive in the jungle. They had the opportunity to fire together, to have combat activities. So it was a very rich experience for both sides. The exercise was fine, but the challenge for the future is to improve the level of ambition for the next edition of SHAKTI exercise. So perhaps in the future we will try to put more joint activities in this exercise. And as I said during the ceremony, we will be very happy in the future to welcome a unit from India in France, and if it's the case in the next couple of months, I will be in charge to organize their activities in France, and it will be a real pleasure.
Exercise SHAKTI 23-24 marks a pivotal moment in our joint endeavor. Under the theme of conducting joint sub-conventional operations under Chapter VII of the United Nations mandate, the exercise has seen the convergence of military expertise from India and France in an environment that demands the maximum in terms of tactical precision, logistic acumen, and operational execution. As we come to an end of this edition of the joint exercise, I can say with conviction that I am proud of both the participating contingents for successfully achieving the objectives that we had set out at the outset. This exercise also reaffirmed our commitment to joint operations and cooperative endeavors. The lessons learned during Exercise SHAKTI will serve as a keystone for future military operations, and I wish all the participants the very best. Thank you. Jai Hind.